Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you another Vana box by Stylevana. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Stylevana just released new Vana boxes and I'm so excited to show you one of the variations. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much Stylevana for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, these are now available right now. There are 3 different ones. I will tell you about them and then we will dive in and see what is in the one that I received. Okay, so if you don't know, Stylevana not only has anything and everything that you would need, K-beauty, J-beauty, skincare related, anything like that. They have so many amazing products that they have to offer that you can purchase on their site. I do have my own code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you anywhere from 10 to 15% off your order, depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. That is an amazing savings, so definitely check them out if you would like. I will have them linked below with the link to take you straight to them with the boxes and all of that. So everything will be in the description box below. So again, I'm so excited to show you a new Vana box. The other ones have been absolutely amazing and I feel this is a great way for you to try out some products, and it's like you get them like a really good sale when you get them in this little box right here. So there are 2 others. There are 3 in total. They have the hydration station set, there is the blemish care set, and then the transition skincare set. And that is the one that I chose to receive out of the 3, even though all of them were amazing. I just felt like, and that's a great thing too, you can see what products are inside and pick which one's best for you and your own skincare routine and what you like to use. So based on those 3, I felt like this one was the best one for me and my skincare. So that's why I went with the transition skincare set. And let's go ahead and dive in and see what is all inside. I do like the box this time. It's super, super pretty and I love the colors. It's like a teal and lavender and it just has Stylevana Vana box. So when we open her up, that is how it comes inside. They always take so much care in packaging their products. It's always in bubble wrap if it needs it or not. So everything is always packaged extremely well. So everything should be down inside of this bubble wrapped bag, I guess you would say. Let's go ahead and get everything out so we can see what's all inside. And then something is even wrapped in here. Okay, so let's go with the first product that was in the bubble wrap. Let me continue removing the plastic. So then down inside of this little velvet type black pull string bag, you do have something in here. And is this the tool? Yes. Okay, that's why I was so careful. Ooh, that is really pretty. That's why it was carefully wrapped up, because you do have a tool. This is the scraping board. Is it gua sha massaging tool? They call it the heart shape because of the shape of it. But I really do like these because of that shape. It's just so easy for you to run, like, you know, to spread your serum into your skin. You can even turn and go down in like the corners. I really like using these for my skincare, so that's really neat that this is included. And you can purchase this individually. The normal retail price for this is $6.24. One other thing with Stylevana, they have sales on their products all the time. So even if I'm showing you products now, it could be a specific sale, but later it could even be a deeper sale or a less sale. They just have so many products that they do put on sale all the time. They have daily deals and everything. So again, you can check them out, purchase things when they're on sale, and definitely use my code to even save more money. So that's really cool that you do have the scraping board. It's by Miss Lady for this set, and it does come in its own little bag, so you can keep it nice and clean and in there. Great for travel or anything, just keep it nice and clean. So let's go with the next product. This is right here. It's the Face and Body Cream Vegan Comfort, and this guy right here is Bee and Project, and this is 150 ml, and this is valued at $33.89 if you were to purchase this by itself. That's what it looks like. And on here, does it say how to use? Yes, okay, so this is a daily gentle vegan face and body cream that deeply moisturizes rough skin caused by dryness. How to use: gently apply a liberal amount to the dry face, arms, and legs that need intensive care. So it's an all over body lotion, which is really good, especially, like I said, this one is the transition. So I felt like this is more transitioning into the new season. So especially, you know, getting dry skin for the cold, this is a great product, I believe. And I can't wait to use that face and body moisture. Next we have is, and I love this brand, this is the Calming Serum Green Tea, and this is by Beauty of Joseon, I believe is how you say it. This is again the Calming Serum, and the retail value is $17 for this guy. And when you pull it out, that is what it looks like. So you do have the normal little thing right here to get the serum out. And I really like using this when I'm breaking out or if I've had too much sun exposure. I love to grab the ones with green tea in it because it just makes my skin feel so much better. It just soothes it completely. So I always love having one of this type of a product with the green tea in it around, just for those reasons. So I like that. Next we have is a pH 5.5 all clean green foam. This is 150 ml, and this is valued at $12. That's a nice big size right there. It is a purifying foam cleanser that balances the pH to ensure that skin is healthy. This product contains excellent skin-friendly amino acid type cleansing compounds that mildly work on and cleanse the skin. How to use: put a moderate amount in your hands and make a rich and creamy lather. Gently massage the foam over face, rinse with warm water. So again, you have a pH balancing facial foaming cleanser. I cannot wait to test that out, and I love the packaging with those colors. I just love skincare, you guys. Anything that is a facial cleanser, toner, moisturizer, things that I use on a daily basis, I absolutely love receiving because I use them every day. And I really love this brand. This is the Skin 1004. This is the Madagascar Centella Sleeping Mask. This is 100 ml, and this is valued for $17. That is what it looks like right there. This sleeping mask is formulated to provide deep hydration overnight. Apply a thin layer of mask on the face and neck. Let it absorb just like a moisturizer. And if you guys follow me, you know I absolutely love the ones that you put on and you do not need to rinse off in the morning. And I always tell you guys, not that I'm lazy, it's just I have so much skincare products that I might not remember from day to day. Is it one I need to wash off? Is it one that I'm okay with? I don't want to have to worry about that in the morning. I just want to get ready for work and go on with my day. So I absolutely love the ones that you do not need to rinse off, and this is one of them. So I am super excited about this because then you just put it on your face. You'll have some amazing moisture by the time you wake up, and you don't need to worry about washing it off. You just go on with your day. So I'm super excited about that. And then the last thing in here, which I absolutely love having, are these pimple patches. Buy these singly. One pack is $5.30, and it looks like there's 18 of the 10 millimeter and 30 of the 12 millimeter. So there are two different sizes inside. If you guys don't know about these, oh my gosh, I love these, especially when it's that time of the month and I break out. It just hormonal breakouts, there's nothing I can do about it, but I love having these because they make it so much easier. Like, I wish they had these when I was younger so I wasn't just tearing up my face by trying to like pick at everything. But when you see a pimple coming on, you just put a patch on a nice clean dry face, go to bed, wake up in the morning, pull that bad boy off, and it will suck out all of that nasty stuff, which keeps like it not from getting really red or hurting or getting like an infection if you're going to keep messing with it and you can get stuff in it. It's so much easier with these pimple patches. So again, you just put it on, take it off in the morning if you still have it or you still feel like there's something in there, put it on again that night, and then you're good. A few days later, it is completely gone. No problem, no mess, no scar, no nothing. So I absolutely love these. So that is everything for this particular kit. Again, there's 3 new Vana boxes. This is just one of them, and this is the transition skincare set. So a quick recap, we have the pimple patches, which is awesome. You have a nighttime sleeping mask, which I can't wait to use, and I love that brand. We do have a facial cleanser, which sounds amazing, and it's pH balancing. You have a face and body cream that you can use all over, especially right now with the drying out season. I like that. You do have a face serum with green tea in it, and you have the face tool with this little pouch that it goes in. So that is everything for this box, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about the products that were inside. Again, I will have everything linked down below. You will have the link to this particular box, to Stylevana in general. And if you want to check out just any of these individual products, then that will be linked down below as well. INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off. So there's that. So again, you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of Stylevana? Have you ordered from them? Do you want to? Do you have a cart built up? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.